Hi guys, this is Camelia. I had a great opportunity interviewing the author of this beautiful book named Searching for Self in Pursuit of Inner Peace, Mr. K.R.V. Hari. I am very thankful to him for responding to my questions. So let's get started. So, please tell us something about yourself.
Hi, I am Hari, author of the book Searching for Self in Pursuit of Inner Peace. I belong to the Saurashtra community, a community of silk weavers from Tamil Nadu. My hometown is Kumbakonam, a beautiful temple town situated in the heartland of the ancient Chola Empire. I started my schooling from Jawahar School of Neyveli, a premier school of Tamil Nadu that is still holding its flag high after 5 decades. I graduated in agriculture. I served as a manager in State Bank of India for about 2 decades. I have written this book based on my life experiences. I have made enough of a mess of my life to write a 400-page book about it.
Is this your debut book? Please tell us something about your latest work and how can it benefit readers in their lives.
Yes, this is my first major book. This book is about inner peace. Today, very few of us have realized inner peace. Most of us are broken inside into pieces. This book takes us on a journey, inner journey of self discovery. We keep asking, who am I? And carefully observing our own life for an answer. We keep repeatedly discovering, who am I not? As all these false disguises are discarded, the fears and anxieties attached to these disguises also fall away. Now we can come into abiding inner peace. This is the gist of the book.
How was your writing journey and how long did it take to complete your work?
Like I said, this is a 400-page book. Writing it was a major challenge. I spent several years merely gathering information for this book. Then 3 years of intensive writing was required to complete this book. Initially, I wrote whatever came to my mind. The manuscript reached 200,000 words. I knew no one is going to read this. So I savagely cut down the manuscript to 50,000 words. Still, I could not get an overview. That is when I adopted the drill down method. The first chapter, the prologue, contains the entire book condensed into a single page. Prologue is followed by a proper overview which talks about the four parts of the book: the preparation, the practice, the passage, and the portal. Each of these parts have their own overview and conclusion. Finally, at the end of the book, there is the epilogue, which contains a surprising climax for a non-fiction book. I request viewers to check it out.
The word happiness eludes us. So do peace and success. Do you think they all mean the same? Please share us your thoughts.
How can happiness, peace, and success be the same? Happiness depends on what happens. I will be happy after I marry that beautiful girl, get that promotion, or win a lottery. This is a trick played by my mind on me. It keeps pointing at what is lacking in this moment and tells me I cannot be happy. But this is not true. Look at that little child in poverty playing with a few toys. She is so happy. That is the secret to happiness. If I can be happy with what I have right now, I can be forever happy. Success is achieving our objectives. For that, we require a proper strategy. The moment we adopt the right strategy, success is ours. Peace is something deep inside us. We have to realize peace. My book tells you how to realize peace within you. It gives you a clear step by step method to achieve peace.
Are you planning to release another thoughtful book soon? On what subject it can be, please let us at least have a hint. And when can we readers expect it to come?
It's a bit too early to talk about my next book, but yes, I have completed another book. The manuscript is ready. The book is titled Three Secrets for Sustained Success. It talks about how we can sustain our successes and banish failure from our lives. God willing, and with all your support, I will take it to publication shortly.
Guys, I hope you liked this interview. Very thankful to the author for responding to my questions. If you like, you can get his books on Amazon. Paperback is available, and I'll see you next time.